Agent One AI is one of the newest AI software releases that promises to revolutionize the way we automate and optimize tasks. If you're curious about how Agent One AI works and whether it's the right tool for your business, stay tuned because I'm about to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful tool. Right off the bat, Agent One AI is a versatile all-in-one AI solution designed to streamline digital marketing, customer service, and more. It's been built to tackle some of the most time-consuming tasks we deal with daily, saving you hours of work, boosting productivity, and making data-driven decisions more accessible. But is it truly the best AI software just released, or is it just another tool in the crowded space? Stick around, and I'll share what makes it stand out. One of the standout features of Agent One AI is its ease of use. It's designed for both beginners and experts, with a simple interface that doesn't overwhelm you. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or someone looking to automate tasks, you'll find it intuitive to get started. Plus, it offers flexible templates, so you don't have to create everything from scratch. Another thing you should know is the power of its automation capabilities. From content creation to customer follow-ups, Agent One AI automates repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on strategy and creativity. The AI doesn't just automate, it learns from your actions, improving the efficiency of your processes over time. Now let's talk about its data analysis features. Agent One AI is more than just an automation tool. It analyzes your performance across platforms, offering real-time insights to help you adjust and improve. It's an AI that doesn't just execute tasks. It helps you understand what's working and what's not, which is critical in today's fast-paced digital landscape. But it's not all about automation and analysis, it's also about integration. Agent One AI easily integrates with your existing tools and platforms, whether it's your CRM, email marketing, or social media platforms. This integration means you don't have to start from scratch or worry about compatibility issues. A key benefit that's often overlooked is its scalability. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Agent One AI can scale with your needs. It adapts to your growth, handling more data and tasks without compromising performance. This scalability makes it a long-term investment for businesses looking to future-proof their operations. One thing to note is the price. While Agent One AI isn't the cheapest option out there, it's a solid choice for businesses that need powerful features without the high-end enterprise costs. And here's the best part. You can try it out completely free through the first link below. This gives you the chance to test it out for yourself and see if it lives up to the hype. So, should you give Agent One AI a try? If you're looking for an AI software that's easy to use, offers powerful automation, integrates seamlessly, and scales with your business, it's definitely worth considering. But as with any new software, take advantage of that free trial to see if it aligns with your specific needs. Before you go, I've also included my recommended AI software list in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I trust and recommend. Check them out and see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this review helpful in your search for the best AI software.